General knowledge, questions and answers 1. Who was the first person to reach Mount Everest? Answer, Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Next question. 2. Who was the first person to reach the North Pole? Answer, Robert Peary. Next question. 3. Who was the first person to reach the South Pole? Answer, Roald Amundsen. Next question. 4. What was the first religion of the world? Answer, Hinduism. Next question. 5. Which was the first country to print a book? Answer, China. Next question. 6. Which was the first country to issue paper currency? Answer, China. Next question. 7. Which was the first country to commence a competitive examination in civil services? Answer, China. Next question. 8. Who was the first president of the USA? Answer, George Washington. Next question. 9. Who was the first Prime Minister of Britain? Answer, Sir Robert Walpole. Next question. Who was the first Governor General of the United Nations? Answer, Tringve Lee. Next question. 11. Which was the first country to win the Football World Cup? Answer, Uruguay. Next question. 12. Which was the first country to prepare a constitution? Answer, USA. Next question. 13. Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan? Answer, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next question. 14. Which was the first country to host the NAM Summit? Answer, Yugoslavia. Next question. 15. Who was the first European to attack India? Answer, Alexander the Great. Next question. 16. Who was the first European to reach China? Answer, Marco Polo. Next question. 17. Who was the first person to fly an aeroplane? Answer, Orville and Wilbur Wright. Next question. 18. Who was the first person to sail around the world? Answer, Ferdinand Magellan. Next question. 19. Which was the first country to send a man to the moon? Answer, USA. Next question. 20. Which was the first country to launch an artificial satellite in space? Answer, Soviet Union, Sputnik 1. Next question. 21. Which was the first country to host the modern Olympics? Answer, Greece. Next question. 22. Which was the first city on which the atom bomb was dropped? Answer, Hiroshima. Next question. 23. Who was the first person to land on the moon? Answer, Neil Armstrong. Next question. 24. What was the first shuttle to go into space? Answer, Columbia. Next question. 25. What was the first spacecraft to reach Mars? Answer, Mariner 4. Next question. 26. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of England? Answer, Margaret Thatcher. Next question. 27. Who was the first Muslim Prime Minister of a country? Answer, Benazir Bhutto. Next question. 28. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of a country? Answer, Sirumavo Bandaranaike. 29. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer, Junko Tabe. Next question. 30. Who was the first woman cosmonaut of the world? Answer, Valentina Tereshkova. Next question. 31. Who was the first woman president of the UN General Assembly? Answer, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Next question. 32. Who was the first man to fly into space? Answer, Yuri Gagarin. Next question. 3. Who was the first batsman to score 3 test centuries in 3 successive tests on debut? Answer, Muhammad Azharuddin. Next question. 34. Who was the first man to climb Mount Everest twice? Answer, Nwangambu. Next question. 35. Who was the first U.S. president to resign from the presidency? Answer, Richard Nixon.